Very good morning to all of you, and welcome to this another video of this chapter. And I suppose this is the second last video in which we are going to study about the problem of unemployment. See, what are the causes due to which unemployment problem is there into the country or in any economy we are talking about in general. Not only we are taking the example of a particular economy, but here we are talking about the whole economic system. Okay, and what are the causes plus what are the consequences of unemployment on the economy of any country? How these countries are suffering due to the problem of unemployment. See, before starting up with this, I must explain you that when the world was facing the great economic depression at that time, to recover from that depression, it was a very first need for every economics to solve the problem of unemployment which was graving in that situation. So the macroeconomy basically deals with the theories which is related to solve this great problem of unemployment here, the deep rooted problems which is there in each and every type of economy, whether the economy is developed or whether the economy is undeveloped, it doesn't concern, but each type of economy is having this type of problem. No economic system is deprived of this type of problem. No economic system has achieved the target of full employment. See, we cannot achieve the target because we have already studied in the previous video that there are different types of unemployment which is lying into the economy. Disguised, people are working but then also they are unemployed. Frictional, for some period of time the people has to leave the job. Seasonal, so due to these different types of unemployment, no economy into the world can achieve the target of full employment. Optimum utilization of the employment can be achieved. I hope it has been, there is a difference between full employment and optimum employment. I hope it has been very clear to all of you. Now, going again with the topic, we will be talking about the causes of unemployment into the country. What are the major causes due to which our country is facing the unemployment problems? Okay, the first problem is slow economic growth. Slow economic growth means, see, when you are not having the human capital to work. So how it has been possible that economy should grow? Because for the growth of the economy, the production activities has to be there. Whether it is any of the sector, some or the other production has to be there. And these production work will be carried out with the human capital only. And when the large number of population is sitting idle into the country and they are not contributing towards the GDP growth or the economic growth, then what will happen? The economic growth will be very slow because there will be the absence of the production activity. देखिए, जब तक हम लोग कोई काम नहीं करेंगे, प्रोडक्शन नहीं करेंगे, तो किस तरीके से हमें इनकम होगी? How will be getting the income? And if we are not getting the income, so how it is possible to grow? आज फॉर एग्जाम्पल हम लोग एक बात करते हैं कि हम लोग हमारी एक फैमिली के इंडिविजुअल यूनिट्स को लेके चलते हैं और हम ये कहते हैं कि भाई हमें जो ग्रोथ मिलेगी वो कब मिलेगी? जब सारे मेंबर्स जो हैं वो कंट्रीब्यूट करेंगे इनकम के अंदर. परंतु अगर ओनली वन मेंबर इज अर्निंग एंड द रेस्ट आर सिटिंग एट द होम एंड जस्ट दे आर पासिंग अप देयर टाइम, देन व्हाट विल हैपन? विल दैट वो सर्वाइव तो कर सकती है फैमिली, survive, the family will be surviving with the limited source of income, but the growth of the family will be possible when all the adult members will contribute in the development of that family. Same is the case here into the country. I hope it has been clear with you. Now, the second is rapid growth in the population. See, this is also one of the major reasons due to which unemployment persists into the society. See, the population due to ignorance of the people, due to the illiteracy frequency of the people, the population is growing into the country. And as the population is growing, day by day the population is growing, what is happening? The rise in the population leads to the shortage of jobs into the country, because now the limited resources for the job is there, limited opportunities for the jobs are there, and to sit on the jobs, the population, the number of candidates are very high. And in the unorganized sector, even into the low salary packages, the people are ready to work. So rise in population is one of the another causes due to which the unemployment is increasing, due to the scarcity of job opportunities and increasing demand here. That is a problem here of jobs. I hope it has been clear, the second point. The third point is agricultural seasonal patient. See, as we know that in India, agriculture is the basic activities of the people into the rural areas. Most of the population into the rural areas are engaged into the agricultural work. They are doing the agricultural work there and finding up their livings. Now what happened? This agriculture or the prime source of occupation is the seasonal activities, because because the farmers are doing farming only into the Rabi and the Kharif season. The rest of the year remains, they are sitting idle, and as they are sitting idle due to the ignorance of the agricultural potentiality, what happened? They are said to be as seasonal unemployed, and seasonal unemployment is due to this reason only. So in order to solve this problem, we have to increase the irrigation facilities, we have to increase the knowledge of agricultural knowledge of the farmers, so that they can increase their income by utilizing the rest period also. They can utilize those rest period also, and they can increase their income and also contribute to something other. Like for example, Kharif and Rabi seasons, they are growing the main crops. Okay, and the rest of the season they can do some other cropping also, so that they will be supplementing their income also. Okay, as well as they will be supplementing they will be contributing to the nation's growth also, because horticulture, dairy farming and different allied activities are there which could be done by the farmers on the land during these dry period, and the whole year will be utilized and they will not be a seasonal unemployed people. So these seasonal activities, taking agriculture as a seasonal activity, is also one of the causes of seasonal unemployment. Especially I am talking about seasonal unemployment into the country. Now next is lack of irrigation facilities. See, some areas, as we know that in India, are now also totally deprived of good irrigation facilities. So due to the lack of irrigation facilities, the farmers are not able to use the HYD seeds or high technical techniques, because they need a good irrigation sources. So if we are not having the irrigation canals with them, they are not having the good irrigation facilities with them, so what will happen? The agriculture will suffer, and if the agriculture will suffer, the GDP will suffer, or the economic growth of the country will suffer. I hope it has been clear. So lack of irrigation facility is also one of the major problems which our country is facing. Next is joint family system. This causes generally laid the foundation of the disguised unemployment. See, disguised unemployment is the root cause of this joint family system. As we know, the size of the families are growing, okay, and the resources or the land resources which they are having, they are squeezing, because the family size are increasing. There is a small land or a farm with a family, and all the members of that joint family wanted to work on that farm only. They don't wanted to go out for some other work. So what will they do? They will work on that farm, and that farm only requires 2 or 3 members, but 5 to 6 members are working on that farm, which leads to the disguised unemployment into the country. I hope it has been very clear to all of you. Now, Decay of small and cottage industry. See, as we know that in the rural areas, the potential is very high. But now also our government is not able to extract those potential from the areas. See, these lack of capital, lack of finance, lack of subsidies, lack of many things, power supply into the rural areas, these cottage industries and the small scale industries which are being established here into the country, in the rural country, they are suffering. And as they are suffering, not only with that, only with the ignorance of the entrepreneurs also, these people are suffering. They need the assistance of the government or some agencies which could revive these people here. So this decay of cottage industry and the small scale industry is also one of the causes of unemployment problems in India. And these people are getting unemployed because the demand for their product is not increasing, as they are having very obsolete technology. Obsolete means purani technology. They are having that obsolete technology with them, and as they are having the obsolete technology, they are not able to produce the competitive items into the market, and the prices are also very high into the market of these products. As the prices are high, the cost of production is very high, the ultimate price of the finished good is also very high, and these products are not able to compete with the other similar product which is available into the market due to the high prices, and this lead to the decay of these industries and unemployment of these owners of these industries. So this is also one of the major causes which is there due to this decay of industry. Now, low savings and low investments. As we know that unemployment problems leads to scarcity of capital with the people. Okay, if they are not having capital, if they are not having job, so how it is being possible for them to invest into some business? Because if you want to invest or take risk, you have to have some capital with you. You are not having any capital, so the investment is very low with these people. Plus, even they are just earning to survive themselves. They are just earning to survive themselves. So, for the survival only, whatever they are earning or small capital or things which they are having, they are surviving with them. So, they are not able to save also. The saving is also very less. Here, as the saving is less, the investment is less. With this leads to the lower capital formation, because until unless you are investing in some business, you will not able to generate capital. For the generation of capital, investing capital is required, production is required, then income is required, then expenditure is required. There is a vicious cycle which we are going to study into the macroeconomics, a vicious cycle of trade cycle we call it as. And if due to this problem that vicious trade cycle is happening, and due to which unemployment is there into the country. The next reason is limited mobility of the labor. See, now what happened, as we know that in search of jobs, some of the people are moving from the rural areas to the urban areas, and there also they are getting, due to which what happened, the unemployment problems are there, because more number of laborers has been there and the opportunities are becoming lesser and lesser. So now what happened, and into the rural areas, when the other laborers are seeing their condition, what they are doing, they just not wanted to go there to in search of job, because already they are facing these type of problems, so they don't want to face there, and into their villages, the job opportunities are not possible, are not available to them. They are not doing job into their villages, they are just living there in order to survive themselves, doing some or the other odd jobs and surviving into the villages area. They don't want it to get into the trap of these urban areas which the other people are having. So they are not moving from the from the rural areas to the urban area, due to which less mobility, they are not going, they don't want to go in search of job from to other areas or other states, and some other problems may be also there. See, regional diversity must be there. See, there is a laborer of Bihar. Okay, he will not at all like to move towards the southern part of the India because language, culture, diversity is there. He will not knowing to how to speak. So how it is possible for him to work over there if he will not able to speak the language, if the language is different, if the culture is different, eating habits are different. So the mobility is very less due to this reason. So due to this less mobility, unemployment problem persists here into the economy. I hope you have understood. And in the second video we will be talking about the consequences of unemployment in India or in any economy.